Hi everyone. Today I would like to talk about one of my project which I was doing, and then right now it feels like it's abundant but it's not. So this is kind of an update video as well as what I did wrong till now and how I'm going to improve that. I'll talk in two phases. The first one will be what was the wrong thing, and second phase where I'll talk about the solution. I'll keep this video very short. This is just an quick info about what's going to happen with the project. So, as if someone has gone through earlier videos, there were multiple versions of the application and multiple features present. I basically over engineered it. So I'll talk with the problems first. The thing was, it wasn't a flexible schedule. It was not a flexible schedule. I given myself strict timelines, and I wasn't able to follow that because simply putting, everything which I was going to build was new for me. So I put effort in learning design patterns. I was putting effort to learn for Nest.js, but on other side, I also decided a fixed timeline, which wasn't a good decision. Certainly not. Second thing is that I over engineered it. I prepared a lot of documentation first, but I did not started it, and that took a lot of time. So I came to a decision which I'm gonna share. But yeah, this was the problem. And then another problem was uh, losing my you know losing my ability to program fast because I was not programming fast. Usually, whenever I do projects, I quickly hop on to programming part. But in this one, I was over engineering things, so that was very bad. And I don't think anyone should do that. Otherwise, uh, I'll talk about the solutions now. What I thought is there should be a discovery phase. So I actually learned it from my company. I never knew about it, that, but yeah, you can go through every feature, and not every feature, but yeah, the broad ones. What are you going to implement, and just try them. Just try to implement them. That how they are gonna behave. That's how you can prepare your technical documents even better. Other than that, you will get an idea how much time these features are going to take if you are going to build them. So you can limit your programming, and you can limit the features in the version you are going to release. So definitely that will help. Other than that, I do not think starting a new project was is like a programming. I was doing programming earlier, but it's like engineering the product. So you're going to think about, like, if I have this much time and I have to implement this feature, how I am going to implement this. So it should give you maximum output instead of just building it. I started thinking in engineering way instead of programming way, and I think that's a way better approach for any product or any project you are going to do. So that was my learning. And other thing is that quick execution. So I won't be wasting too much time realizing what's going to happen and all. I'll be quickly going through the timeline, whatever I planned right now, and quickly jumping on from one part to another, from discovery to something else, and then something else to programming the first version. I'll share, I'll paste or share my timeline how I'm going to do. So especially in discovery phase, there won't be any video out here because I have to engineer this. I have to see myself, like, how these features actually interact. I cannot go blindly. That's what I was doing recently. And so my videos were getting very long because I was actually not knowing anything, and I was going all in those videos, doing a lot of GPT, Google, everything. So that wasted a lot of time. I think building something out of those features would be much more easier way to understand how those things work and how much time I'm going to take. So summaries, there are 2 points. Don't over engineer thing. If you are building something, try to put it out as fast as you can. Second thing, Do not think it a project as a programming thing. Instead, think it as engineering a product, and think of timeline, how much time you have. Think of features, what are the features you are going to implement, and pick technologies and everything wisely. Also about continuing the programming or building in public, I will be continuing this project once I will face the once I'll go through the discovery phase. I'll continue with building on YouTube here. That's just the discovery part which I have to do by my own, to realize that how those things are gonna work, and not to waste anyone's time on YouTube as well. Thank you.